Blessings, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm making June plum juice with a little ginger. So I washed my June plum with the Scotch Brite. Can use a cloth and wash it as well. And my June plum is about a dozen and a half. And I mix them sometimes. Sometimes I have green and a little ripe, and I cut them up, take off the fruit from the seed. We are going to blend with a little ginger. And so you will cut them up according to what your blender can manage. So from this 1.5 dozen June plum, I get 3 blending from it. And so as I finish blending, I strain to get the fiber out. And so you would strain and squeeze. You will mix and squeeze. As you see the motion of my hand, in order to release the juice from the fiber. So while you're turning, you're pressing down as well to get all the juice out. I do not reblend my June plum. I just blend it one time and strain, and that is it. So after I get out most of the fiber, this is what it looks like. So most of the fiber is out now. But what I normally do, depending on the strainer that you have, you might have to strain more than once. So this is my third straining. And you see there are some fiber still left in there, but I'll be able to manage what is left. And so it's time to sweeten my juice. And I am using brown sugar. You can use whatever sweetener you want to use. Some people drink it just like this. Cool it and drink it, or pour it over the ice, and just drink it. You do what pleases you. Okay? But I use brown sugar to sweeten my June plum juice. And this is my June plum juice. This is where I ask you, for those that are watching that are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. And this is our June plum juice with a little bit of ginger. So from my kitchen to yours, enjoy my June plum juice with a toops of ginger. Blessings, everyone. Blessings.